If you're considering kitchen renovations, Kitchener Waterloo, you might be wondering if tackling the project in stages is a viable option. The answer is yes, and this approach can offer several benefits, especially for homeowners in the Kitchener Waterloo area. Renovating your kitchen in stages allows you to manage your budget more effectively, minimize disruption to your daily life, and make thoughtful decisions along the way. Why is this question particularly relevant to Kitchener Waterloo residents? The local housing market is dynamic, with many homeowners looking to enhance their space without committing to a full-scale renovation all at once. Whether you're dealing with a historic home in uptown Waterloo or a contemporary space in Kitchener's growing suburbs, staged renovations can be an ideal solution. In this article, we'll explore the advantages of renovating your kitchen in stages, outline how to prioritize different phases of the renovation, and offer some practical tips for planning each step. Whether you're looking to upgrade your cabinets now and save the countertops for later, or focus on flooring before appliances, we'll guide you through making your kitchen renovation a seamless and rewarding experience. Stay tuned as we break down the process and help you create the kitchen of your dreams, one step at a time. Understanding the benefits of staged kitchen renovations in Kitchener Waterloo. Embarking on a kitchen renovation in Kitchener Waterloo can be a daunting task, especially when considering the disruption it may cause to daily life and the financial investment required. However, opting for a staged renovation approach can offer several benefits, making the process more manageable and less stressful for homeowners. By renovating in stages, you can spread out the costs over time, allowing for more flexibility in budgeting and enabling you to prioritize essential updates first. This approach also allows you to live in your home throughout the renovation process, minimizing disruption to your daily routine. Another significant advantage of staged kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo is the ability to evaluate each completed stage and make informed decisions about subsequent phases. This can be particularly beneficial if you are uncertain about specific design choices or want to ensure that the renovation aligns with your evolving needs. Additionally, with the local real estate market in mind, staged renovations offer the opportunity to assess the impact of each upgrade on your home's value, allowing you to focus on high-return improvements. Plan ahead. Create a comprehensive plan that outlines each stage of the renovation. This helps in setting realistic timelines and budgets, ensuring a smoother process. Prioritize key areas. Focus on critical components like plumbing and electrical systems first, as these are foundational to any kitchen renovation. Consult local experts. Engage with renovation professionals in Kitchener-Waterloo who understand the local market and can provide valuable insights tailored to your needs. Be flexible. Remain open to adjustments during the process. Staged renovations might uncover unforeseen issues or inspire new design ideas. Communicate clearly. Maintain clear communication with your contractors to ensure each phase meets your expectations and stays on track. Planning your kitchen renovation. Key steps for homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo. Embarking on kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo can be both exciting and daunting. For many homeowners, renovating in stages is a practical solution that allows for budget flexibility and minimal disruption to daily life. The first step is to assess your kitchen's current condition and identify which areas need immediate attention. This could involve anything from updating old appliances to revamping cabinetry or improving the kitchen layout for better functionality. Understanding your priorities will help you phase the renovation process effectively. Creating a detailed plan is crucial. Consider breaking down the renovation into manageable stages, such as flooring, cabinets, countertops, and appliances. This not only helps in distributing the costs over a period, but also ensures that you are not overwhelmed by a complete overhaul all at once. Homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo should keep in mind the local climate and lifestyle, which might influence choices in materials and design. For instance, opting for durable materials that can withstand the temperature fluctuations typical of Ontario is a wise decision. Budget wisely. Allocate your budget according to the phases and prioritize essential upgrades. This will help in keeping the project financially in check. Hire local experts. Collaborate with experienced local contractors like Kitchen and Bath Reno guys who understand the regional needs and provide customized solutions. Plan for permits. Depending on the extent of your renovation, you might need to secure permits from local authorities. Check with the City of Kitchener or Waterloo to ensure compliance. Consider future needs. Think ahead about how your kitchen needs might evolve, especially if you plan on living in your home for many years. Stay flexible. Be prepared for unexpected challenges and delays, which are common in renovation projects, by having a contingency plan in place. Finding local contractors specializing in staged kitchen renovations in Kitchener-Waterloo. Embarking on a kitchen renovation project in stages can be an excellent choice for homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo. It allows you to manage costs, minimize disruption, and gradually transform your kitchen space. However, to ensure a smooth process, it's crucial to find local contractors who specialize in staged kitchen renovations. These professionals understand the unique challenges and opportunities of phased projects and can tailor their services to meet your specific needs. To find the right contractor, start by researching companies with a strong reputation in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Look for contractors who explicitly mention their experience with staged renovations on their websites or in customer reviews. Asking for recommendations from friends or family who have undertaken similar projects can also be valuable. When interviewing potential contractors, inquire about their approach to phased renovations and how they plan to maintain functionality and safety throughout the process. Contractors familiar with the nuances of working in older homes in Kitchener, Waterloo, or even Cambridge can offer insights that newer firms might overlook. Research and reviews. Check online reviews and ask for references to gauge the reliability and quality of local contractors. Experience with staged projects. Ensure the contractor has a proven track record of completing kitchen renovations in stages, as this requires careful planning and execution. Detailed planning. Work with a contractor who can provide a clear timeline and budget for each stage of the renovation to avoid unexpected costs and delays. Communication. Choose a contractor with strong communication skills to keep you informed and involved throughout the project. Local knowledge. Opt for contractors who understand the local building codes and have experience navigating permits in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Budgeting for a multi-phase kitchen renovation in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Undertaking a kitchen renovation in stages can be an effective way to manage costs, especially in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, where housing prices and living expenses continue to rise. A phased approach allows you to spread out expenses over time, making it easier on your wallet while still achieving the kitchen of your dreams. However, this requires careful planning and budgeting to ensure each phase aligns with your overall vision and financial capacity. Begin by identifying the primary goals of your renovation and the essential elements that need immediate attention, such as outdated appliances or worn-out countertops. It's important to recognize the trade-offs involved in a multi-phase renovation. While it offers financial flexibility, it may also extend the timeline and could potentially lead to inconsistencies in design if not carefully planned. In Kitchener-Waterloo, where the local market can affect material and labor costs, staying informed about trends and prices is crucial. Working with a local contractor who understands these nuances can help you navigate the complexities of a phased renovation. They can provide insights into sourcing materials locally, which might save costs and support the community. Start with a detailed plan and timeline for each phase. This ensures you stay on track financially and design-wise. Local professionals can help tailor this plan to fit your budget and needs. Prioritize phases based on necessity and impact. For example, updating plumbing and electrical systems might be more urgent than cosmetic changes like new cabinetry. Consider the seasonal impact on renovation activities. Certain phases may be more cost-effective or convenient during specific times of the year based on Kitchener-Waterloo's climate. Set aside a contingency fund for unexpected expenses, which are common in renovations. A good rule of thumb is to reserve 10 to 20% of your total budget. Communicate regularly with your contractor to ensure the project stays within budget and adheres to your vision. This collaboration is key to a successful renovation. How to prioritize kitchen renovation stages for maximum impact in Kitchener-Waterloo. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo looking to renovate their kitchens in stages, planning is key to ensuring each phase delivers the best results possible. The first step is to identify your kitchen's pain points, whether it's outdated cabinetry, insufficient lighting, or a lack of storage. Knowing where to start can help streamline the process. Begin with the essentials that offer the most significant improvement to daily functionality. This approach not only maximizes your budget, but also minimizes disruptions to your daily life. When prioritizing renovations, consider the trade-offs involved in each stage. For instance, replacing old appliances can offer immediate benefits in energy efficiency and aesthetics, but might require adjustments to cabinetry or countertops. Similarly, updating flooring may seem like a straightforward task, but it's often best tackled after any plumbing or electrical updates to avoid unnecessary damage. In Kitchener-Waterloo, where seasonal changes can impact renovation schedules, timing can be crucial. Consider scheduling major structural changes during milder weather to avoid complications. Start with structural changes. Address any plumbing or electrical work first, as these are foundational and can impact other renovation stages. This is especially important in older Kitchener homes where systems may need updating. Upgrade appliances early. New appliances can set the tone for the rest of your kitchen design. Look for energy-efficient options that qualify for local rebates to save on costs. Focus on cabinets and storage. Consider custom cabinetry to maximize space, especially in smaller kitchens common in Waterloo's historic neighborhoods. Enhance lighting. Good lighting transforms a kitchen. Prioritize layering different types of lighting, ambient, task, and accent, to create a versatile and inviting space. Choose durable materials. Select high-quality, durable materials for countertops and flooring to ensure longevity, crucial for withstanding the varied climate of Kitchener-Waterloo. Ready to transform your kitchen in stages? Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo can help you every step of the way. Whether you want to explore our kitchen renovations Kitchener-Waterloo services or need guidance, we're here to assist. Visit us on Google or call us at 226-894-0234 to discuss your vision. Book a free estimate today or call us for a quote, and let's start crafting the kitchen of your dreams.